The summer of 1956, I turned 11, and a storm was coming. The cicadas singing, how it stirred the air to reckless speeds. It was a season of Genesis and Revelation, the first time I tasted music. Killed my daddy with a prayer. Laid eye upon the beautiful Mayfields. Obsession drove me to do the things I did. The hunger for that good kind of hurt only a Mayfield can give. Beguiled in the swelter of that Mayfield shine, I desired to be close to them, to be blinded and scorched all the way down to the bone by them. My name is Annalise Newell, and in that dark place within me, where all the bad runs deep, I know this one thing to be true. Some things in this world are meant to burn.